In this video, we'll look at how to search and replace web links in PDF documents using the AutoBookmark plugin for Adobe Acrobat. You can use this operation to change the URL addresses and file paths in PDF links and bookmarks. You can also search and replace any part of the web URL or file path. Optionally, you can use the regular expression syntax for changing text patterns, not just literal text strings. This short video shows how to change parts of URLs in links and bookmarks that use the Open a Web Link action. Right-click on the link and select the Edit Link button. Then in the Link Properties window, select the Actions tab. Then select the Open a Web Link action and click on the Edit button. In the Edit a URL window, you can manually change the URL for this link. With the method I will show you, the URL will be changed automatically everywhere in the document. Now click on the Menu button on the top left-hand side of the screen. Then click on the Plugins menu, click on the Links menu and select the Search and Replace Actions option. In the Search and Replace Link Actions window, enter what you want to find into the Find What box and what you want to replace it with into the Replace With box. Select what type of link actions to search and replace in the settings, and check the box that is corresponding to your desired outcome. Click on the OK button to proceed. Now to check if the changes had been made, right-click on the link again and click on the Edit Link button and onto the Actions tab. As you can see, the URL has been changed. Visit evermap.com to learn more about Evermap's PDF tools for Adobe Acrobat. Please subscribe to our channel and check out our other videos for more PDF automation tutorials. Thanks for watching.